Hello, creative people. Welcome back to our little corner of art and inspiration. Today we're going to talk about something that seems simple, but can be a real challenge in watercolor. Painting a fried egg. Does it seem impossible? I promise it's not. I'm going to show you a foolproof method to master this technique without suffering and with incredible results. We're going to do it with a step-by-step tutorial in 3 simple steps that even those who have never painted will be able to reproduce. If you like today's topic, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. In this video we're going to use 300-gram paper, watercolor and a brush. The colors used are in the video description. Let's start with the sketch of the fried egg. No perfectionist sketching. The secret here is a light line just to guide the painting. I make a circle representing the yolk and then draw the white, which is very irregular. Here I am defining the area of brightness. In the region of the egg white, we will draw some irregularities like holes in the frying. Drawing was easy. Watercoloring will be even easier. In the first step, we will start with the paint very diluted. In this case I am using the color cadmium yellow to make the egg yolk. We will start by watercoloring a circle, respecting the area of brightness stipulated in the sketch. The egg white does not need to be white, so here we will use the color Payne's gray mixed with a little sepia, just to make the irregular outline of the egg white, just like we did in the sketch. At some points, brush this color mixture inside the egg white so that it has spots. Wait for it to dry. I repeated the first step for educational purposes. In the second step, we will use the same colors but a little stronger to start giving contrast to our fried egg. In the area of the yolk, we will add a little orange. Remember to respect the areas where we define the brightness. I repeated the first step. In the egg white, we will reinforce the edges with the colors we used previously. Take the opportunity to make those irregular bubbles in the egg white. These bubbles give the appearance of frying. I teach the technique for this egg and other delicacies in my new book, Watercolor with Flavor. Delicacies without the use of sketching. The book is for sale on Amazon. Take advantage of it. It is still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. The link to purchase is in the video description. Now that the base is ready, it is time to give our fried egg some crunch. I will repeat the first and second steps again for educational purposes. Work with thin layers to avoid the paint looking heavy. In this third and final step, we will add textures and finishes to bring the fried egg to life. I'm going to add a little bit of orange and a little bit of scarlet, very diluted, to the yolks. In the egg white area, I'm going to use burnt sienna to define the edges and give it that crispy appearance that only a fried egg has. Be careful not to make the edges too hard. To do this, use a damp, clean brush to dilute the edges and soften the color gradient. Around the egg yolk, apply a darker shade. If at any point you lose the shine of the egg yolk, don't worry. You can use a white pen, white acrylic paint, or white pencil to add shine after the watercolor has dried. That's it. We managed to paint an incredible fried egg using a simple and foolproof method. Wasn't it magical to see how small techniques can transform something so ordinary into a work of art full of life? What did you think? Tell me in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you learned something new today. If so, don't forget to like this video and share it with your artist friends. Take advantage and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other weekly videos. Leave a comment below telling me about your experience with this project or suggesting other topics you would like to learn. I love hearing from you. See you next time and thank you for watching the video until the end. And buy my book Watercolor with Flavor. Delicacies without the use of sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description.